In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a protein-packed muffin that will satisfy any chocolate craving. Hey guys, Marcia here. Today I'm going to share with you a protein muffin full of peanut butter and chocolate. If you're new to our channel, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell. That way you don't miss out on any of these great videos with health and wellness tips, as well as our jiu-jitsu videos and yoga. We all get cravings for something sweet, but we know that it's not the best thing for our bodies to fill ourselves with sugar, chocolate bars, granola bars, or those muffins that you buy in the store. I'm going to share with you a fantastic recipe for protein-rich muffins that are so decadent that they'll feel like a treat. Let's get into making these muffins. I've already lined my muffin tin with these paper liners. Now we need to preheat the oven to 350. Let's get started with 3 eggs. We'll whisk these all together till they get nice and fluffy, and then we'll add 2 ripe bananas. Get these all mashed up to mix in with the egg. Adding 2 heaping teaspoons of cocoa powder. Whisk that all together. Add a splash of vanilla. And 3 or 4 teaspoons of peanut butter. Add 2 scoops of protein powder. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. 2 cups of rolled oats. 1 tablespoon of hemp seeds and 1 tablespoon of flax seeds. Let's mix this all together so that we get a nice even consistency. And last but not least, chocolate chips. Let's just get these chocolate chips stirred into this mixture, and then we're ready to put it into our muffin tins. Then we're just gonna fill our muffin tins with the mixture as even as we can. Now they're ready to bake. So let's put them in the oven for 15 minutes. And there you have it, triple chocolate peanut butter protein muffins, the perfect pre-workout snack.